G'day wildlife enthusiasts. Welcome to the heart of Australia, where the land is as ancient as time itself. Today we're venturing into the heart of Australia, a place that holds both natural wonders and deep cultural heritage. It's a place of breathtaking beauty and profound cultural significance, where every rock and tree has a story to tell. This is Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, a monumental sandstone formation that stands proudly in the Northern Territory. Standing tall in the Northern Territory, it's a beacon in the vast Australian Outback, drawing visitors from all over the world. Uluru is more than just a rock. It's a sacred natural wonder, revered by the indigenous Anangu people. Join me as we explore its secrets and uncover the stories etched into its ancient surface. Uluru is a deeply spiritual place for the Anangu people, who have lived here for tens of thousands of years. They are the traditional owners of this land, and their connection to Uluru is profound and enduring. The Anangu have cared for Uluru for thousands of years, passing down their knowledge and traditions through generations. It's their belief that the rock holds ancient knowledge and stories, a living testament to their rich cultural heritage. Uluru is massive. This iconic natural wonder stands as a testament to the power and beauty of nature. It's over 1,100 feet tall and plunges deep into the earth. Its sheer size is awe-inspiring, making it one of the most impressive monoliths in the world. The rock isn't just big, it's old. Uluru has stood the test of time, witnessing countless generations and changes in the landscape. Uluru is made of Arcosa sandstone, formed over millions of years. This ancient material gives the rock its distinctive red hue and unique texture. This incredible rock formation has weathered countless storms and witnessed the passing of millennia. Its surface tells a story of resilience and endurance. One of the most fascinating things about Uluru is its ever-changing colors. The rock seems to come alive as the light shifts throughout the day. Throughout the day, the rock transforms. From dawn to dusk, Uluru displays a stunning array of colors. At sunrise and sunset, Uluru glows a fiery red. This breathtaking sight is a result of the sun's rays hitting the rock at just the right angle. This is due to the angle of the sun's rays. As the light changes, so does the appearance of Uluru. As the sun climbs higher, the colors shift. The rock can appear golden, orange, or even purple, depending on the time of day. You might see shades of orange, purple, and even a deep dusky blue. Each moment offers a new perspective on this timeless monument. The area around Uluru might seem harsh. Don't be fooled. It's teeming with resilient life. Hundreds of plant species thrive in this arid environment. Desert oaks provide shade. Spinifex grasses cover the ground. These plants have adapted to survive with minimal rainfall. Look closer, and you'll spot the creatures that call this place home. Keep an eye out for red kangaroos bounding across the plains. You might even see a dingo, Australia's wild dog, on the prowl. Bird life is abundant with colourful parrots, majestic wedge-tailed eagles, and many more. For the Anangu people, Uluru is a living being, a sacred entity that breathes life into their culture and traditions. It's a place of deep spiritual connection, where their ancestors walked, and their stories are etched in the land itself, creating a timeless bond between the past and the present. The rock art found in caves and shelters around Uluru is remarkable, showcasing the artistic expressions of the Anangu people. These paintings, some thousands of years old, depict ancestral beings, stories of creation, and important ceremonies, serving as a visual history book. The Anangu have passed down their knowledge through generations, ensuring that their rich heritage continues to thrive. They use storytelling, dance, and rituals to convey their history, beliefs, and values. These traditions keep their culture alive, vibrant, and deeply rooted in their sacred land. They share their knowledge with visitors through guided tours and cultural centers, offering a glimpse into their way of life. Uluru is a powerful reminder of the enduring connection between people and the land, a symbol of resilience and continuity. It's a place of awe, wonder, and deep respect for the natural world and the cultures that thrive within it. Crikey, isn't it amazing? The spirit of Uluru continues to inspire all who visit.